Every second, millions of dollars move across the world. From luxury stores to crowded streets, this simple piece of paper controls almost everything around us. But very few people have ever seen the secret place where real dollars are actually made. Inside the world's largest dollar factory, giant machines work day and night printing millions of real dollars with extreme precision.
Surprisingly, real dollars are not made from normal paper. They are created using a special blend of cotton and linen designed to survive for years. The journey begins in massive cotton farms, where soft natural fibers are harvested before being transformed into one of the world's most powerful currencies. After harvesting dynasty, the cotton is transported under strict security to specialized facilities where the money-making process officially begins. Before printing can begin, every fiber is deeply cleaned to remove dust, dirt, and microscopic impurities that could damage the final currency. The cleaned fibers are then mixed using a highly protected formula that gives dollar bills their famous durability and unique texture. Giant industrial rollers carefully flatten the fiber mixture into large sheets that will eventually become real dollars. To strengthen the material, the sheets pass through powerful heated drying systems designed to remove every trace of moisture. Even the smallest defect can destroy an entire sheet. That's why every layer is inspected with extreme precision before printing begins. After hours of preparation, the blank sheets finally enter the most important section of the factory, the printing room. To stop fake money from spreading, every real dollar contains a hidden security thread placed deep inside the material itself. Tiny colored fibers are permanently locked into the sheets, creating security details almost impossible to copy. Using controlled pressure and thickness changes, hidden watermarks are carefully formed directly into the currency material. Inside the printing hall, giant engraved plates prepare to print thousands of perfect dollar designs every single hour. The first ink layer creates the foundation of the dollar's iconic appearance, using highly protected industrial printing formulas.
Huge synchronized machines print both sides of every sheet with microscopic accuracy measured far beyond human eyesight. Every line, symbol, and portrait is printed with extreme precision to create details counterfeit machines cannot easily reproduce. After printing the sheets move through high-temperature drying chambers that permanently lock the ink into the currency.
Each dollar receives a unique serial number, allowing every bill to be individually tracked and identified.
Special color-shifting inks create another powerful security feature, visible only when the bill moves under light. Under ultraviolet light, hidden security features appear instantly, helping experts detect even the smallest printing error. If a single mistake is found, the defective currency is immediately destroyed to protect the integrity of the entire system. Before becoming real currency, every sheet passes through advanced inspection systems, searching for microscopic imperfections. Once approved, enormous cutting machines divide the giant sheets into perfectly measured dollar bills with razor-sharp precision.
Even the edges must be perfectly aligned because the smallest mistake can expose counterfeit weaknesses instantly. Advanced counting systems organize thousands of dollars every minute with speed impossible for human workers. After counting, the new currency is tightly sealed into secured bundles prepared for transportation.
Inside protected vaults, millions of freshly printed dollars wait under extreme security before entering circulation.
To prevent theft, armored transport teams move the currency using heavily secured delivery systems.
Day and night, these trucks transport millions of dollars across the country toward banks and financial centers.
After leaving the factory, the freshly printed dollars begin their journey beyond national borders. Under extreme security, billions of dollars are transported to countries across the world.
Day and night, these shipments travel across oceans, continents, and international trade routes.
Within hours, the dollars arrive in financial centers around the world. Banks in different countries receive the currency before distributing it into local economies.
Container secure, ready for transport.
After leaving the factory, the dollars officially enter the global banking network used by millions every day. Within days, these newly printed dollars begin appearing inside ATMs across cities and towns.
From street markets to luxury businesses, these simple bills become part of everyday life around the world.
The dollar has become one of the most powerful currencies on Earth, influencing trade, travel, and economies worldwide. Behind every dollar should mean thousands of workers, machines, and hidden processes operate together with incredible precision.
The dollar factory is protected by some of the strictest security systems on Earth, where every movement is constantly monitored. Hundreds of cameras track every printing machine, worker, and currency sheet every second of the day. Specialists constantly study counterfeit money to improve the security features protecting real dollars.
Some dollar details are so small, they can only be seen using powerful magnification equipment.
Before entering circulation, every dollar design is tested against folding, pressure, heat, and physical damage. When old or damaged dollars return from circulation, they are completely destroyed under strict supervision.
Even destroyed currency waste is carefully processed to prevent any material from being reused illegally.
Occasionally, rare printing mistakes escape detection and become valuable collector items worth thousands of dollars. Inside the factory, millions of dollars can be produced in a single day using non-stop industrial printing systems.
The factory never truly sleeps, because global demand for currency continues every hour of the day.
Deep inside secured vaults, billions of dollars wait silently before entering the global economy. From small local businesses to entire countries, these printed dollars help power the modern world.
After days of printing, inspection, and protection, the newly created dollars finally leave the factory. These dollars begin an incredible journey through banks, businesses, airports, and financial systems around the world. Within days, the same bills printed inside the secured factory become part of everyday human life. For some people, these dollars buy simple meals. For others, they help build companies, homes, and dreams. Every day, the trillions of dollars move through the global economy, powering trade, transportation, and modern civilization.
Banks in different countries receive the currency before distributing it into local economies.
A single dollar printed inside one giant factory can eventually travel across the entire planet.
And while billions of dollars circulate around the world, inside this giant factory, the next generation is already being printed.